everybody, great news. The Eibach Pro Kit has finally arrived after several weeks on back order. I'm excited to get this car in the shop and get this job done. But before that happens, I wanted to do a quick video, take some measurements of the car so we can do a full assessment once the job is done. Now I am going to go ahead and stick with factory wheels and tires. For one, I really like these black rims, and I like the thickness of the tire. I think that's going to retain some of the ride comfort we've come to expect with this Mustang. From the ground to the top of the wheel well in the front, we're looking at 28 inches. Top of the tire to the wheel well, we're looking at approximately 2 inches. From the ground to the side well, 7 inches. So on the rear, from the ground to the top of the wheel well, 28.5. Top of the tire to the wheel well, 2 inches. Hey everybody, thank you for watching this video today, and I want to give a short wrap up my thoughts on the lowering kit. So very happy with the way things turned out. Gave me the drop that I wanted and also maintain the ride quality. Also, another benefit is that it seems like the car corners a lot better as well. So overall, very happy. Just eyeballing the car, I would say that we're experiencing a 1-inch drop. That's exactly what Eibach advertised for the Pro Kit. And also, I think the factory wheels look really nice with this. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks again for watching. I would ask that you like this video and also that you would subscribe to my channel and keep up to date on all the future enhancements coming to this car, the Race Red Mustang. Hope that you have a great day and God bless.